Responsible care is the chemical industry's global environmental, health, safety, and security EHS&S voluntary initiative. For almost 6 years, Responsible Care has helped GPCA member companies enhance their performance and reputation, discover new business opportunities, and improve the health and safety of their employees and communities and the environment as a whole. This conference will enable industry leaders to learn from their peers and experts about strategies to improve their company's EHS&S performance and expand business opportunities.
So where comes your role? You have to share with the government your own interest. You have to work with them, telling them exactly what does affect you and what doesn't affect you.
There's a link between the workplace, between the family, between communities and societies. We all know that companies, especially large companies, especially responsible companies, see themselves as very much part of society, linked through families and communities.
All of those who talk about sustainability don't have to forget that responsible care is the basis.
And where I believe, and the committee believe, is the big prize, is taking the knowledge that we have in the industry in this region, combining it with the capability to influence that the governments have. Taking the best of these both will be success for the future.
So the potential is significant and the opportunities are great.
We as industry, we need to help the government in achieving their target. They cannot achieve it by themselves.
The industry needs to compete, and where we compete, we'll compete fairly and vigorously, but there's also areas where it makes sense for us to cooperate. And responsible care is an area that I think we all agree here today that we need to actively cooperate.
I think that the Gulf region is actually an exemplar in its adoption of responsible care principles. I think that obviously it has been on a journey, the GPCA have obviously been on a journey to use responsible care, to implement responsible care. But I think actually the integration of all those various aspects of managing risk and business success and product stewardship and health and safety and sustainability are really, really important. I think it's the future in terms of holistically managing your organisation and managing sustainably.
What the Responsible Care Committee has done is brought all these member companies, about 33 member companies, into one roof to share knowledge. And when it comes to safety, health and environment, the leadership of the petrochemical industry in GCC have recognized that there is nothing called competition.